In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows display size is too big. And if you're going through any kind of an issue with the monitor or laptop, the screen is too zoomed in, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what we need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type here for settings and we have to go over here. Now from here, what we need to do is we have to go to, first we need to go to the system and from here navigate to the display. And from here, what we need to do is we have to scroll it down to the scale. Now the scale is an important thing. So as you can see, it will be deciding the size of text, amps and other item. So you can just go over here, click on the drop down menu and make sure that is set into recommended 125%. So if you feel like you are already zoomed in, then the reason might be you might be in the 175 or something. So try changing it to this because this is a default one recommended by the Windows. So you can try keeping on this. And if you go to the display resolution, then make sure that you have to click on the drop down menu and also make sure that you have to set this over here like this. And this is what it is apt for your Windows and this is how we can set this up. So what you need to do is just cross check here and make sure that you set this both the thing into the recommended one. And it is all based on a PC or laptop. You can do it as per your need. And this is what you have to do. And most probably afterwards, it will be okay fine. And this is what we have to do. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.